With advancements in battery technology, a growing network of charging infrastructure and increasing consumer demand, EVs have become a viable option for many drivers worldwide. As India joins the other nations to transform its future of mobility and has accelerated its adoption towards sustainable mobility and net zero carbon emission goals, India is rising. With its rapid advancement in technology, alternative fuels, automation and digital solutions that will produce new mobility options and new business models that will pave the way for a cleaner and greener India. Join us in the special series of ET Auto Presents Future of Mobility Season 2, launching on 4th May 2023, right here at ET Auto.